Hey everybody, this would be workwithbenpal.com, and it is now November 2019, and winter is coming, and I'm going to be doing a few projects indoors, and I thought that you might want to share a little bit in on the projects as well. So I'll flip it around and we'll get started. All right, what we have here is we're going to be rebuilding a wheelbarrow. We have the rails here, and then we have this here, the feet, bottom, more bottom and stuff like that. But that's just a wheelbarrow. Now over here we get this other one going here. This here is going to be, we're repairing this goose windmill, and what we'll be doing is we'll be actually, this actually spins. We're going to be putting new wings on the other side here for somebody. And down here, one other thing that we've got going right now is we're fixing this table. The leg here is broken. I don't actually have it glued together yet. It's just a sample. But this is just a little bit of a video. Watch for an update, because I will be doing a little bit of an update video when we're cutting parts. And if you want to follow along while we're building these here garden ornaments, and maybe somebody might like one as well. So I'm going to end it at that. This is workwithbenpal.com and Woodworks. Talk to you later. Bye for now.